Welcome to Voice of India. Good morning, viewers.
AICC leader and Rajya Sabha member Sonia Gandhi made an emotional appeal to the voters in Raebareli, a stronghold of the Congress, to vote for her son and Congress leader Rahul Gandhi. She said, "I am handing over my son to you. As you have considered me as your representative, consider Rahul too as your representative. He will not disappoint you." Sonia Gandhi said she would not contest from Raebareli in the 2024 LS elections to make way for her son. Rahul Gandhi is already a sitting MP for Kerala's Wayanad constituency and is contesting from Raebareli too. Sonia was addressing a public meeting in Raebareli on Friday, as part of campaigning for the general elections. Voting will be held in Raebareli on May 20 in the fifth phase of the Lok Sabha elections, and counting will be held on June 4. Sonia Gandhi's daughter Priyanka Gandhi Vadra also presented the public meeting. Hyderabad. Saturday's meeting of the Revant Reddy cabinet, a fortnight ahead of the 10th anniversary of the bifurcation of Telugu states, is likely to take key decisions on taking over buildings in Hyderabad that were allotted to Andhra Pradesh a decade ago, apart from those relating to the new academic year, Kaleshwaram project and the Kharif Action Plan. Hyderabad will cease to exist as the joint capital of Andhra Pradesh on June 2, 2024. And will be the capital of Telangana state as per AP Reorganization Act, 2014. Beijing. Russian President Vladimir Putin focused on trade and cultural exchanges Friday on his state visit to China that started with bonhomie in Beijing and a summit with China's leader Xi Jinping that deepened their no-limits partnership as both countries face rising tensions with the West. Putin will attend the China-Russia Expo in the northeastern city of Harbin and meet with students at Harbin Institute of Technology. Harbin, the capital of China's Heilongjiang province, was once home to many Russian expatriates and retains some of these historical ties in the city's architecture, such as the central Saint Sophia Cathedral, a former Russian Orthodox church. New Age producer Janvi Narang has a legacy to carry forward, as the granddaughter of renowned filmmaker Narayan Das Narang. She joined hands with Rana Daggubati to produce a romantic comedy and also handle the production work of the upcoming Kubera, featuring Dhanush. "My graduate degree in commerce has come in handy," says Janvi in an interview. Hyderabad. Thursday's heavy spell came as a major disappointment for cricket fans who managed to reach the Rajiv Gandhi International Cricket Stadium, RGICS, for the Sunrisers Hyderabad vs Gujarat Titans showdown in the IPL 2024. However, a solace to the fans is that the organisers will be refunded the ticket amount as not a single was bowled. An estimated 33,000 spectators turned up at the stadium, which can accommodate about 39,000 persons.
Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.